Hey everybody, it's your girl Soleil Tyler and I'm back with another video. So today we did this beautiful pom-pom ponytail, this mid-high pony blunt cut, and I really hope you enjoyed the look and the video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and if you are new to the channel, welcome. I'm one half of the Soleil twins, and just go through our channel and see if there's anything that you like that will make you want to subscribe. But if you want to see the steps that I took to get this hairstyle, then let's go ahead and jump into the video. Alright, hey guys, so y'all already know the style that we're doing today. Going in first, I've already washed, deep conditioned, and put a protein treatment on my hair. So I'm going to go in with two heat protectants. I'm going to go in with the Kenra, looks like this, with the Kenra blow drying mist. And then I'm also going to go in with the Cheese Silk Infusion. So I'm pretty sure the two of them should give me ultimate heat protection. Hey y'all, I'm back. I already feel like I should have just went ahead and permed my hair, but we're gonna keep going. But I really wanted it super sleek. Like this part is real sleek, but then right here you can see like when my natural hair is coming in, and that's really annoying. So at this point, I know I'm gonna get defeated, but I'm gonna just keep going. I just realized I didn't trim the rest of my ends, so let me go ahead and do that. But yeah, I'm kind of pissed off already, but it's fine. See, all that look dead. I like to get Sister happy. Well, that's already pretty. Oh, already pretty. So for my edges, I'm using Edge Booster. It doesn't matter the smell. It got here. And I like mine to come right into my ponytail. Like that. Then, and I start from the back, like that. With that little mark, that little line, like that. Then I come in for the front, pull it down, swoop it right under, fix that. But that's okay. I'm gonna just do it. Boom, like that, and then just work the comb with your finger, like that. I'm gonna take the Red by Kiss wrap strips. All right, last part, then we done. Two of the Made Beauty, I don't know, Made Beauty Wet and Curly Bloom Bundles. They look like this. This is a 24-inch in color 1. I got 2 of these. And I feel like I'm going to do quite a few styles with this brand. So y'all just let me know if y'all want to see more. But I'm going to give them to you anyway. But anyway, I'm going to do 2 of them so they're nice and full. So let's go. Alright, y'all, I got my razor. So what I'm gonna do is comb this first and then thin it out because we don't need all this, so thin this out. So okay. So now you comb it again, like that. And All right. Let me back up a little bit so y'all can see the full length. Period. Period. This is actually so cute, but this is guaranteed to tangle. But I don't know. I like it, but it's too noodly. So I'm gonna take my wide tooth comb. I'm gonna brush out the bottom a little bit. And this part is literally just preference, like what you like. Like that's pretty. It's still a little too full. So I'm gonna go back in, like down here. I feel like the problem also is it could be shorter. Okay, let's see if that helps. Oh yeah, that's doing what I wanted to do. That right there. It may even need to come up over my shoulders. And then I'm gonna do some spray, like some hairspray. Like that's pretty right there. But I'm going to the airport in the morning. I don't want it like stuck. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna come a little lower. That's giving. Yeah. It's sleek. It's at my face. Yeah. I'm gonna go in with this Sebastian Shaper Plus.